Hello guys, welcome to Nappy and Heels. I am Pranshi Mukherjee. A very common concern of every parent, especially a mother, is the developmental milestones of their baby. We understand that every baby is different and some baby will learn to sit or crawl or walk sooner while some babies take their time. But I found out this Fisher Price Sit Me Up floor seat that I think will help my baby to learn to sit properly. And now that my baby is 5 months old, I think it's about time that I start to train my baby to sit. So here I'm going to unbox this product for you, and then I'm going to use this product for about a month, and then I'm going to tell you about what I think about this particular product. Do you really need it or not? This is my very first experience with the product, so I don't know exact how it works. So I'm going to take about 1 month and use it with my baby on a daily basis, so that I give you a true review of this product. So this is from Fisher Price. I purchased it from Amazon a few days ago and I received it just today, and I got this one for 4499 rupees. I'm going to put on the major description of this product in my description box as well. You can check out there also. Now this product has machine washable seat pads. It says that you can wash it in the machine. Linkable flower teether, linkable clack, and attach 2 of your baby's favorite toys to this one, so that your baby doesn't get bored while he is sitting in it. And it is easy to carry around since you can fold it and just carry it like you're carrying a carry bag or something. And it says you should use this one with a child who is able to hold head up unassisted and who is not able to climb out or walk. So basically this is a perfect product if your baby has started to hold their heads up and without any support, and your baby is yet to learn to crawl or walk. You can only use this product to make your baby to learn sit quicker, as I said earlier. So let's start to unbox it. Yeah, this is the seat, and it's really soft. It says the maximum weight should be 11.3 kg or 25 lbs. So they have also given clackers and teether as well. Let's open this one first. This is a teether, and this one is clacker, and they have also provided a booklet sort of thing with it, and I don't know what language is this, I can't quite read it. And this is a owner's manual, user manual. There are a few warning points mentioned over here, and it says that you should only use this one on the floor, never use it on elevated surface. I prefer you read it before you start using the product. It has told us about every part that it has and how to assemble the product. I don't know what this is, but maybe I'll understand when I start to assemble the product. This is the hub button, and this side has to be in outward direction and in the opposite direction. So you place it like this on this one, and you slide it into it, and when you hear the noise, it gets locked over there. Now the next step is assembling it, I was not paying attention to the side I was fixing it. You have to make sure that this side is in the front and this side is in the back while you are fixing this particular piece. Otherwise you won't be able to fix it properly. And make sure that you snap and you are sure that the particular piece you were fixating is locked. Otherwise it's not safe for your kid. It is really soft and cushioned, and I think the baby will be comfortable in it. Its leg goes in here and here, and it is quite supportive. I think it will do a great job, but I cannot say it for sure unless I use it. And at first I couldn't figure out what these were for, so these are for fixing it on both the sides. What I think up till now about this product is that this product is really expensive. Baby learns to crawl, this one is going to be total waste until you plan your next baby and then you use it all over again. But this expensive, you expect more functionality in it, but yeah, I think it is an expensive product. This product should have been more compatible if it had been more affordable and every parent could buy it. So for 4,499 is quite expensive for something like this. This is what I think up till now. So let me use it for a month and then I'll be back with an honest review for you all. Guys, here I am after 1 month of using the Fisher-Price Sit Me Up floor seat, and today I'm gonna review it. So I'm gonna dividing the entire review in 3 parts. First part is price, second part is the quality, and the third part is it really going to be that helpful to help your baby learn to sit quicker. So getting to the first part, price. I think it is overpriced. I purchased the product for 4,499. There was no discount. It is the MRP of the product, and I think it is a really expensive product. There are a lot different products that you can totally use to sit train your baby, and I'm gonna link those products down below in the description box. You can totally check it out, and before you buy a product that this expensive of 4,499, you must totally check out other products that I found out later on. Now getting on to the second point, quality. The quality of the product is really good. The plastic is really good, the seat is really comfortable and cushioned and soft, and the colors are really good, and my babies do feel engaged with the little toys that are hanged onto the Sit Me Up floor seat. So it is overall a good quality product, although I don't feel like the quality is still not worth 4,499. That is what I feel. In the race of providing our kids with the best of amenities and provide the best sources to learn different things, we often forget that it is just our intention and our will to make them do a certain thing that matters the most. So in my video I have shown a few ways that I do with my kid to make him practice sitting up since he is now 5 months old. So just do check out that video. And do I feel this product is necessary, and without this product my baby will never learn to sit up? No, I don't think that this product is that helpful. You can totally manage. Your kid will totally learn to sit up without buying Fisher Price Sit Me Up floor seat as well. You know, you cannot push your baby to different transitions. Just as you cannot push your baby from milk to solid foods, you have to, you know, take it slow with your baby. Just like that, you cannot push your baby to sit. He will learn to sit at his own pace, at his own time, when the timing is right for him. So you cannot push it, you cannot do anything to make it more quicker. All you can do is make him practice much more tummy time, be engaging, talk to your kid, play with him, and try on the different methods that I have shared in my how to sit train your baby video. All those things will help you out to make your babies learn to sit easily, but you can use this product if you are a busy mom, or if you are a working mom, and if you you know, if you are the only one with the responsibility of entire house, and you have a lot of household chores to do in a lot less time, and you have to manage your kids as well. You can totally place your baby in Sit Me Up floor seat while you are finishing off a few household chores. This can help you out, but otherwise no, it is not that helpful in making your baby to learn to sit. That was all about the review of this particular product, and do check out other videos on my channel as well. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's for free, you guys. And